Welcome to Techtopia X, where we genuinely test, review, and break down products to help you spend smarter, not harder. The product link is in description. Today we're taking a look at the iRestore Professional Plus Rechargeable Battery Pack, one of the most advanced FDA-cleared laser hair growth systems available for men and women dealing with thinning hair and hereditary hair loss. If you've been researching hair regrowth solutions, you've probably come across this device and wondered, is it really worth buying? What do those 282 lasers and LEDs actually mean in real-world use? And why has it become such a popular choice among people looking for a non-invasive hair restoration solution? The iRestore Professional is designed to deliver low-level light therapy, also known as LLLT, directly to the scalp using a combination of 82 medical-grade lasers and 200 LEDs for a total of 282 light-emitting diodes. The system operates at a clinically studied 655 nanometer red light wavelength and produces a powerful 1,410 milliwatts of total output. According to the manufacturer, this combination is engineered to stimulate hair follicles, increase blood circulation, and support healthier hair growth over time. One of the biggest reasons this device stands out is coverage. Many hair growth caps focus primarily on the crown area, but the iRestore Professional is designed to provide extended scalp coverage, reaching the hairline, temples, and crown. That means more of your scalp receives treatment during every session. What does that mean in everyday use? Simply put, you put the helmet on, press start, and continue with your daily activities while the treatment runs. Each session lasts just 25 minutes, and the recommended schedule is every other day. The included rechargeable battery pack gives you wireless freedom, allowing you to move around without being connected to a power outlet. Let's talk about the numbers because that's where this device becomes especially interesting. The professional model weighs only about 1.25 pounds, making it comfortable for longer wear sessions. It uses Class 3 or medical-grade lasers and LEDs operating at 655 nanometers, a wavelength widely used in low-level light therapy devices. The combination of laser precision and LED coverage is designed to maximize scalp exposure and deliver consistent light energy to hair follicles. Now, why is this product so popular? A major reason is the clinical data behind it. According to the company's published study, users experienced an average increase in hair count of 43.2% after 16 weeks of use, while the placebo group showed significantly lower improvement. The company also reports that 100% of participants experienced an increase in hair count during the study period. Another reason for its popularity is convenience. Unlike topical treatments that require daily application or clinic-based therapies that require appointments, the iRestore Professional allows users to perform treatments at home while reading, watching television, or working. The rechargeable battery upgrade makes the experience even more flexible and portable. The device is FDA-cleared and backed by a 2-year warranty, giving users additional confidence in the long-term investment. It has also become one of the most recognized names in the hair growth device category, with hundreds of thousands of users worldwide. So, is the iRestore Professional worth buying? If you're looking for a non-invasive, FDA-cleared hair growth system that combines 282 lasers and LEDs, powerful 1,410 milliwatts output, extended scalp coverage, wireless convenience, and clinically supported technology, this is easily one of the most feature-packed options currently available. The combination of advanced specifications, ease of use, and at-home treatment convenience explains why so many people continue to choose it as part of their hair restoration journey. Thanks for watching Techtopia X. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.